as we hear the natural sound of the bird of the Woking, the Danimas Thominas. It's the mating call of the season. You can see the wildlife. But where is this bird? It seems to be getting angry. Oh, there he is, in his natural habitat. The Danimas Thominas whistling away. He seems to be startled. Oh, now he's off.
What? Let me see.
And away he goes, looking for his mate. This is known as the bull Danimas maximus. He seems startled. And he's back. The drip of the spittle. And who's that do we hear? Is that the Danimas maximus? What an old trout.